Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Akko 3098B mechanical keyboard. This board boasts a striking black and gold theme, a combination that exudes a subtle yet powerful aesthetic. The contrast is reminiscent of dark soil and golden wheat fields, a unique visual that sets it apart. Akko has upgraded its V3 Pro creamy yellow switches, now featuring alloy copper and palladium gold contacts. This enhancement promises improved conductivity, stability, and overall durability, ensuring a longer lifespan and consistent performance. Connectivity is a breeze with the Akko 3098B. Equipped with a Beacon multi-modes controller chip, it seamlessly switches between 2.4 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB-C wired connections. This versatility caters to users with multiple devices, ensuring a stable connection across the board. The inclusion of a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery is a welcome addition, providing ample power for extended use. The keycaps are made of PBD double-shot material with Akko's ASA profile. These keycaps are not only durable and resistant to wear, but also feature vibrant, sharp legends with high contrast. The Akko 3098B also features premium gaming 5-pin hot-swappable sockets with plate foam, allowing users to easily swap out switches to customize their typing experience. Customization is a key feature of the Akko 3098B. All keys are remappable, and the built-in RGB backlighting offers customizable light animation effects, with per-key RGB supported through the Akko Cloud Driver. This level of personalization allows users to create a keyboard that truly reflects their style and preferences. The Akko 3098B supports both Windows and Mac systems, with an easy switch located on the back of the keyboard. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, making it a versatile choice for any user.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.